The MOSEN Drum Set 3-piece junior kit is thoughtfully sized for young beginners, giving children enough real drum feel to build coordination without being overwhelming in a small room. This set arrives with a bass drum, snare, tom, crash cymbal, pedal, drumsticks, and an adjustable seat, so kids can start playing immediately without hunting for extra parts. The poplar wood shells provide a surprisingly full and resonant tone for a compact junior kit, while also standing up well to the inevitable enthusiastic practice sessions. A glossy black finish and neat hardware give the drums a polished look that makes kids feel like they are playing a scaled-down version of a professional kit. Assembly is straightforward for adults, with clearly organized components that go together quickly so young players can focus on learning rather than waiting. Overall, this junior drum set works very well as a first real instrument, encouraging musical curiosity and rhythm skills in a package that feels sturdy, complete, and fun to play.